Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to welcome you back to my channel here. Going to be doing some fishing out here. Today it's kind of an overcast day, so we're going to see what we can make happen. I'm going to be using the Rapala's jointed floating minnow here. So it's going to give me a little topwater action, but also a little bit of weight bait action, and we're just going to see what happens. So that's what we're going to be doing today here. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. The goal is to grow and build a channel. So please like, subscribe to the channel, and just enjoy this episode. All right. There we go. Oh. Oh, I had him on that one. There we go. Got him up. There we go. There we go. He's a little one. He's a little one. But the point was to show him here. Show him here. He took that. He's a little one, but he took that little Rapala. Not the biggest fish in the world. He's a baby. But when it comes to topwater, he counts because he hit that Rapala on the topwater. All right. I'm going to go ahead and let this baby grow so he can become a big bass. I now know how to fish it. There we go. There we go. Another one on the Rapala. There we go. As you can see there, we got another one, another little one on the Rapala floating. On the Rapala floating. And that was another one. Let's see here. There it is on the Rapala. All right. All right. Here we go. That's another little one on the Rapala on the floating. And what I'm doing is I'm letting it out there, I'm floating it, and I'm popping it for a few minutes, really little, and let it glide. And these little aggressive little baby bass here are coming in, hitting it hard. All right then, so we're gonna let this one go too. Let's see here.
All right, so there, all a go. There we go. Oh, that is a baby, a little baby. Look at that. Can it get any smaller? See here. Can it get any smaller? The Rapala is almost the same size as this little baby bass right here. Incredible. But I just wanted to show you that topwater is working though. Even the little ones, they want it as well. So I'm gonna get him on the hook. Okay. Look at this micro bass here hitting a Rapala, of all the things to be chasing after, but he still wanted it. He saw it. He saw that little topwater out there and he wanted it. I think that is what this might be, the smallest one I've caught on a topwater lure. There we go. There we go. Good hit. There we go. Good hit right there. Strong hit by that one. Totally committed to it. So I want to make sure I show that to everybody. He got it. A good hit there on that one. That is off. Okay. Let's go ahead and so you guys can see him. You guys can get a good look at him. So we can take a good look at him. He couldn't resist that Rapala, so he took a hit on it too. All right, got another one here. Got another one here on a Rapala. This one was pretty good. He was hanging out in these lily pads over here, and I was able to throw in there and make something happen with that one. Good fish. All right, you didn't see that coming. Huh. Woo. Good deal. Good deal. I'll try to keep going here, try to keep it moving. Do one more, and then I have to call it. One more here. See if we can get something over here. There we go. There we go. Woo! Another one. Another one. We are on fire with the Rapala. They're liking that. So they are liking that. All right. See here. Here's another one where they're hitting it hard. So we've got a moment now where they are, whoo, I ain't gonna get my fingers cut here. Huh. Put him over here. All right, let me unhook him. But we're on fire right now. All right, like I said before, that old school Rapala is putting in work. So we're doing something out here with this. All right. Got to get them back out there.
Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed this little episode here. I was using once again that Rapala jointed uh, jerk bait here. That actually is a floating one. It's Rapala's little jointed minnow float. So it's like a jerk bait, and I was using that. And I was really, let me make sure you can see that. I was really having a lot of success with it. Doesn't cost a lot at the store, so it doesn't cost a lot of money to buy one of those. Those are one of truly the classics of fishing. And based on where you're living at right now, I live in Florida, so we don't have the same type of winters as everyone else does, but the fish do sometimes go down below and they're chasing minnows. And so I'm using this little Rapala minnow at float in order to entice them to come up to the surface. So I'm still trying to fish top water. I'm just fishing underneath the water, but I'm still floating, I'm still fishing top water. So once again, I just want to thank everybody for watching this episode here. As always, please like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and please remember my phrase always. Keep your line tight, because when they hit that top water lure, it's going to be a big bite. All right.